Hello guys, today I am back and today I'm going to play Dummy Wars. Don't judge me, okay guys? The name of this game is Dummy Wars. Since I love the battle bit so much, I'm going to play this. Why not? Yep, I already know this guys. So this is my team. Okay? Wait, this sounds like TBB Chapter 4. Yep, this is TBB Chapter 4. We need more. We need more of these guys. We don't need the fighter. Oh no, they got Devil Farm first, okay? Guys, this is my favorite, okay? Nilalaro ko to dahil guys, yung Legacy, yung Stickman Legacy. Para lang to ganito, but in Roblox. So they are still trying to come in. Yeah, I got a big team. Yeah. Let's go. We got so many money makers. We'll get like 10 miners. Okay, now time to wait. Let me just get more money. Defense. We need defense. We need offense. Defense, offense, whatever. I don't know. No, I don't know. You know what? Just protect the base, okay? Understand? We're gonna destroy 20 of them. Now, go attack! Go attack! Let's go. We have a whole army right here. Oh, okay. Sing. Go. We're definitely gonna beat this. Guys, look how much money I got. Okay? The sword sound is too loud. Guys, I just found this on YouTube and I decided to play it. Let's go. Let me just see the loadout. Do I get Stitch? I don't want. That's okay. Can we upgrade this guy? No, can you upgrade this guy? No, I can't. Cause I'm poor. Yeah. Farmer, we can see the entire farmer. Pilgrimage. Okay, pilgrimage. Wait, we get archer? I don't know. Okay. But this music is too good, okay? It's just on TVB. The chapter 4 TVB music. Yup. I saw that. Yup. Plus TVB music plus TVB music chapter 4 is actually on the Angel, okay? So if you don't know that, check out Bucket Bazar if you play TVB. Yep. Got so many right now. I'm going to just spawn pick one. Just going to spawn. I'm just going to spawn right now. Okay. So you first need your defense, guys. Because their defense. Okay, they have archer. They have the archerino. Spawn our main defense. Sword battlers. Yep, I just wanna call it sword battlers, okay? Stack them up. Okay. One more and then fight! Let's go. Okay. Okay? Hope we don't necessarily do this. Okay? That's okay. I can just spawn another one. Just spawn another one too. We just spawn another one too. We just spawn another one. What? Go fight! What you doing? What you guys doing? Go fight! Okay, so that's for Temer. That's for Temer. The pizza for Temer, I don't know what to call it, okay? So, I think it was like pizza place, yeah, pizza place. Pizza place. Okay. Just killing them. They're killing them. Let's go. Do we get Archer? Yep, yeah, we got Archer. We can now finally upgrade this guy. I think I'm going to upgrade this guy. That's it. That's it. This is reward. Yeah, this is the Archer. We're leaving an unknown kingdom for more freedom. Join the Doggy Empire, okay? Okay. Sounds good to me. Spear Tana, bro. They have spar. No. Actually, that's spear, right? I don't think there's anything. New sound. Yep, there's a new sound. Oh no, bro. Guys, you should farm first. Farming is good, right? Are you seriously not gonna farm? Okay, that's good. Okay, that's okay. Go farm. While we gonna farm. Some of you do not go right here. Just wait there, okay? I'm going to get more money. As me broke, okay? We're just going to make 9, yeah. And then now if we got so many money, we start stacking. It's already midnight. Oh, hell no, bro. Go. Stack them up. Stack them up, boys. Stack them up. We don't want anyone. Keep the money going. Guys. Oh, hell no. We're already dead. This guy. What? How did we victory them? I'm so confused, guys. What? Spear Town. Small tribe that loves spears. They don't have resources to make better weapons, so they're pretty weak. Oh yeah, this guy's good. This guy's good. Okay. Now Romanium. Oh nah, they have the gladiators. Oh yeah, I gotta have gladiator too. Let's go. Oh nah, they have the whole crowd here. They have the whole crowd here, guys. They have the whole crowd here. Guys, why did you put chicken leg stickers? I don't know what to call them, okay? We're just going to put like 5 of them and then we'll start stacking. Oh no, that's the gladiator. And then the back will be the archers. That will be my strat, okay? The back will be the archers. Oh, wait, there's already the back. We need more. We'll just do that so we get more money. Keep up the good work, guys. Give me more money, guys. Why we don't need it anymore, so first we farm. Oh, okay, they have the army. 3, 2, 1. Attack! Attack! They attacking. They attacking. Okay. Yes, look. Okay, okay, we might be dead here, guys. But don't worry, we got our archers. Oh my gosh, I can't. Go, go, go! Force! Spam! 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 Guys, you archers! Do your thing! Get me money! Great archers. No, actually, miners. Miners, give me money already. Go. Now we have the archers now. Let's go, the charge cheering. Cheer. Just kidding. It's okay if you don't cheer. I don't care about it. Okay? They destroying our archer stack, but I don't care. Go, let's go. Okay. Like this is the surrender button, guys. Like up here, like up here. Yep, that's the surrender button. Let's go. We got our gladiators. Can upgrade him for 3, but this guy will not give me money. Die. 5 is 10, so I'm going to upgrade him. Just a little bit, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to upgrade him a little bit. Cause why not? One more upgrade. And then another upgrade for this guy. Okay. Now there we go. Wait, where can I play the Christmas event? Wait, no, there's no Christmas event. But I have to beat Dummy Empire to go to Christmas event. I thought that was free, bro. Hey, Titan. Oh, we're going to finally get our Titan. Let's go. We're going to finally have our Titan. Alright, guys. So we're going to finally have our Titan. Let's go. I've been waiting. You're not gonna beat me. Bring me more money. I need more money. Guys, bring me more money. I really need more. Oh god. Okay. Give me more money. Can't you see? Oh god, we might be dead. Actually, we might tank it. Die. Stay there. Defense. Oh, hell no, bro. A giant? prepared? Let's go. Must focus on getting our money up. Let's go. Now finally attack. Let's go. Attack. Attack. So we can finally get our Titan Battler. No, Titan actually. Titan, yep. Our Titan. Beat them up. Let's go. Oh, so if they're still alive, then get fleeing. Haha, get fleeing. Okay, so we finally got our Titan. Upgrade them. We really need this guy to get upgraded because he's good, okay? Okay, so finally time to play Brain Drain. What? Oh, 2000. Oh, this is a boss. This is a boss? Oh no, bro. Another TBB music. I forgot this music, what this music is, so, yep. Firstly, defense. Defense. Okay. They're still defensive, so don't mind me. I'm going to spawn another one. Just needed, okay? Oh, hell no, bro. We need more. We need more. We need more money makers so we can finally spawn our Titan. Go, make me some money, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No, defense. Hey, defense. Let's go, let's go. We're going to stand no mercy for them. My screen's kinda broken. Are they moving? Oh great, they have 2 Titans. Let's go. Wait. Wait for it. Let's go, attack! Do it, boys! Die! Let's go. Rush to the base. Another one. Hey, not good. We only have one Titan left. You see that, guys? You heard that scream? That's from Potemmer. Yep, I think so. So, can now finally upgrade our Titan. Plus our Archer. Okay. So violation. Still the same, but plus 10, okay. Oh, I know this. I somehow saw this. Wait, I might know where this song is. This is from the... Yep, I don't know where this song is. Kaya happy na. No music. Finally had enough. What do your song even have? I will save up for a new Titan. Finally, the Titan can now finally land a hit. Violation, it's time to finally attack! Show them no mercy. Let's go. We just upgrade. No, I don't have enough money. Sharp note cow statue. I'm fine. Finally gonna have a cow statue like that. Right? Wait, if you have a cow statue, then they'll give you that. Oh, that will be so good. Think so. So I use violations. Let's go. Okay, you missed. La la la! Mamatay na yata tayo, guys. Are you serious? Unsuspected surrender. Don't know how to play, but no, actually I don't know how to do this. How to beat this, so I'm just going to end the video here. Bye, guys.